Do you know the 5 digital skills that make you real money in 2025? Most people are learning the wrong ones. Let me show you the right ones. Skill number 1. Artificial intelligence and automation tools. Tools that can make you a best money in 2025. For example, ChatGPT, Notion, artificial intelligence, Zapier. What do you say? Artificial intelligence are the new literacy. Business pay for you people who know how to automate tasks and use artificial intelligence to save time. Skill number 2. Digital marketing. Includes social media marketing, SEO, paid ads, email marketing. For example, every business needs visibility. If you can grow pages, create ads that sell, you will never be out of work or business. Skill number 3. Content creation and video editing. Tools that used to edit your video or any content you can edit easily without any license. Example, CapCut, Canva, Adobe Premiere Rush. Content is the new currency. Learn how to film, edit or post. Even with just your phone. You can edit and post. You can open any channel and post. Start now. Skill number 4. Web development and code building. Tools WordPress, Wix, Bubble, Shopify. These are used to brand your social media. Every brand needs a website or a store. You can change clients or build your own e-commerce sites. Skill number 5. Freelancing and remote work management. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, TopTal are the apps that used to freelancing and grow your business. Generally, start learning one skill today. Remember, your skill is your digital gold mine. Subscribe with YouTube for free training and tips. Thank you very much.